Hey guys, today I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of completing the tax form 3916 regarding your foreign bank accounts. They are the accounts held outside France. The form 3916 may seem very difficult, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. The various resources to help you complete your tax declaration are available in the description below. First, let me remind you of the various income tax declaration deadlines applicable depending on your postal codes. For offline paper declarations, the last date to submit the income tax declaration is 20th May 2024 for everyone. If you can do an online declaration, the deadlines are different as per your postal codes. Here are the various income tax declaration forms published by the French Tax Department every year. You can download them from the links available in this video's description below. In this video, I will be explaining the 3916 to 3916 bis annexure used for declaring your foreign accounts held outside France. So, let us explore the 3916 tax form. The form 3916 to 3916 bis is used for declaring your foreign accounts such as banks, brokerages, crypto exchanges, insurance policies, etc. In this video, we will focus on the declaration of your foreign bank accounts. Other types of accounts will be explained in their respective videos. In the first page, we have the sections 1.1 and 1.2. In section 1.1, complete your basic details like name, date of birth, place of birth, and complete address on the 1st of January of this year. Section 1.2 is applicable if either you or someone in your tax household does a commercial activity. If yes, enter the relevant details as explained on the screen. In the second page, we have the sections 2, 3 and 4. In section 2, check the box for bank account. In section 3.1, enter the bank account details like IBAN, type of bank account, date of opening or closing the account from last year, name and address of the bank as explained on the screen. So, if you opened or closed an account this year, you can only declare it during next year's tax declaration. In section 3.2, select if you are the actual account holder or if you are the beneficiary of a power of attorney to operate the account on behalf of the account holder. Then in section 4, you do not have to do anything for a bank account. It is only applicable to crypto-related accounts. Then, in the third page, we have sections 5, 6, and 7. In section 5, you must check the box related to the way in which the account is used. They are personal, professional, or a mix of both. If the account is for any professional purposes, you must add the various details of your company like its name, address, etc. Section 6 is only applicable if you had declared yourself as the power of attorney in section 1.1. If yes, complete the details of the actual account holder. Then in section 7, you do not have to do anything for a bank account. It is only applicable to foreign insurance policies and similar accounts. Then in pages 5 to 7, you can find the official notes to help you complete the tax form 3916 to 3916 bis. A lot of the frequently asked questions are answered on my website prasantragupathi.com under the income tax category. You can also ask your questions in the comments below and I will try to answer as much as possible. Here are a few examples of these FAQs from my website. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of completing tax form 3916 regarding your foreign bank accounts. Remember, it's important to submit it on time and accurately to avoid any issues and penalties with the French Tax Department. Thanks for watching and happy filing. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France and also other European countries. Have a great day.